Let's make some forking delicious pumpkin donut, cinnamon sugar pumpkin donut holes. All right, first you're gonna preheat your oven to 350. Get a nice look at the tush. You're gonna do 1 cup of pumpkin puree. I just use like the Libby's canned stuff. Then you're gonna do a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. And I'm lazy, so I level mine on the side of the container. I actually might need to level it this time though. I'll pack it in like proper. 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Then you're gonna do 1 egg. Cracked into there. 1/2 cup of milk. And technically you should be using a wet measuring cup for this, but I never listen. And my recipes always turn out great anyway. And then we're gonna do a 1/4 cup of melted butter, and then you're gonna cool it slightly. All right, we're gonna do a 1/4 cup of melted butter now that is melted in the microwave. And then a teaspoon of vanilla. So in another bowl, we're gonna put 2 cups of flour. All right, we're gonna do 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice leveled off. Cha-ching. A 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
Salty.
Salty. Sal, as the Spanish people say. And then you're gonna whisk this together. And you're gonna add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients. Stir this together. And you're gonna do 2 teaspoons of baking powder too. And I just kind of measured off on this, like it has an edge on the side of the container. This afterwards is kind of how your batter will look. Kind of cakey. I have a mini muffin pan that I've already pre-sprayed. And look how cute it is. I love things that are mini. Except for, you know, certain things. Most things are good mini, but the ladies know what I'm talking about. Oh, we're gonna scoop these in using like a cookie scooper into your mini muffin pan. And I just do like 1 scoop per donut hole. So these are gonna go in the oven that I preheated already at 350 for like 11 to 13 minutes. All right, we're gonna do about 6 tablespoons of butter, melted and slightly cooled, and it's unsalted, if I didn't say that before. We're gonna do about a 3/4 cup full of sugar. I'm just gonna kind of eyeball it because this is for the topping, so it's not a big deal if you fudge it a little bit.
Put the butter in there, so I was like.
And a 1/2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon. And then we're gonna stir this together. And our melted butter's right here. We're gonna let it cool while the donut holes continue to bake in the oven. We got these out of the oven and they cooled down. I have my little helper here. You're not supposed to eat those yet. You gotta wait until we dip them. Actually, maybe we should do them one at a time. All right, you're gonna help me. You're gonna dip 1 in the butter. Dip it in the butter. You're gonna dip it in the 6 tablespoons, I think it was, of the melted butter. And then you're gonna dip it into the cinnamon sugar mixture. And then we're gonna plate them.
I'm getting my own.
Okay, you do that.
That's by itself. What is this?
It's pumpkin, cinnamon sugar pumpkin donut holes.
What is this?
Butter.
Oh.
You don't need to roll it around in that much butter.
I do.
Do you? Okay. And then gently toss it in there. And then put it on the plate when you're done.
Okay. This one's going to be mine, so it needs lots of sugar. Mine is getting over here.
Yours needs extra sugar? I don't think you do need extra sugar. You're going to be hyped up before bed. We've done enough now to taste test. You want to taste test? Wait! Cheers. So good.
It's freaking delicious.
What's your rating?
10 out of 10.
I would say 10 out of 10 too.
Wait,
I love pumpkin stuff, but this is like
20 out of 10.
my hands are really messy now.